Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. Okay, we have two methods how we can perform a reset. I'll show you both of them. First, and the recommended method, is a reset using the settings. So open them up. Now scroll down all the way until you find System. Now we need to scroll down a little bit more, click on Reset Options, and of course we are interested in Factory Reset option. That's the last option on the bottom. But in here, if you want, you can also reset mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset app preferences, and also delete the private space. But let's tap on the last option. That's the thing that we are interested in. Remember, of course, that everything will be permanently erased from your device. So what I like to do always is creating a backup of my data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you everything step by step. So if you want, you can watch that video. Now, if you click on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be turned on, and the next thing that will appear on your screen will be the setup process. When it comes to the second method, we will use recovery mode for it. But when it comes to resetting through the recovery mode, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that if you have a screen lock set, there is a chance that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want you to type that screen lock to confirm that you're actually a user of this device. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that you will have two options. You will have to type your screen lock, or you will have to sign in into the same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. I'm talking about the Google account that you can find in the settings as you scroll down, and when you click on the Google right in here. You also there's a chance, of course, that you might have to sign in into that account. Not that account, because that's my account, the account that pops out on your screen, of course. So have that in mind and remember about it. Okay, now we need to power off our device. So let's click power button and volume up button and click on power off. Okay, and now to enter recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until the logo appears. When it appears, release the finger from power button, but keep holding volume up. Just like that. Now release from power button. Okay, now we need to select boot mode. Now using volume up, we need to select recovery mode, and now confirm by clicking volume down. It's going to take a few seconds before it launches. Okay, now you can see that Android logo and it says no command. Now we need to hold power button, and while you are holding it, click volume up, just like that. To move around this menu, we need to use volume keys, and we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking power button, select factory data reset. Everything will be also erased from your device, so remember about it. And now confirm by clicking power button. Okay, we can see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, confirm, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on, and we'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.